What's up, y'all? My name is Malik, and welcome to my closet. This is my first Get Ready With Me I've ever done, and I just got out the shower, so I was like, why not? I think when you do like a Get Ready With Me, you're like, oh, I want to wear these pants, and I'm going to pick out a shirt to go, or I want to wear some J's and pick out like an outfit to go. I did something crazy. Shout out to my friends at ThreadBeast. If y'all don't know what ThreadBeast is, this is a mystery box that you pick your own style and you get clothes from. So I don't even know what I got. All right, let's go. So they started me off with this shirt that I think is so dope. What is this? This is so cool. All right, let's see. Bro, look at these pants with this shirt. I don't think I've ever seen a more perfect match in my life. Like, bro, this sucker is smooth and it feels nice. And you know it wouldn't be right without the belt. And I think they got me right for this fit.